Kumbaga, it's an advantage sa Vicente de Lara Park. Bakit? Tingnan mo ngayon, nasaan yung ano natin, yung mga emplacement ng institutional natin ngayon, nasa mall, why not develop that signifies a park for institutional basis pa rin, tapos naka-in-house na siya ngayon, lahat na nandyan. So wala na sila sa mall ngayon, hindi na mag-aarkila. Yun yung maganda, no?
The River of Gold, and that is the literal meaning of Cagayan de Oro. This is because of the rich gold mines found in the city during the era of the Spanish colonization. But now, this is not what the city is known for and visited for, but for its bustling landscapes and urban planning. But of course, this isn't all what the city can offer. Urban planners let us show you a downtown park that will make you feel it all, the place of the people and the heart of this lively city of Cagayan de Oro. Parks in cities provide essential benefits by offering green space for recreation and relaxation, fostering community interactions, enhancing environmental health, boosting the local economy, improving aesthetics and cultural value, and contributing to climate resilience. They support physical and mental well-being and attract tourism.
What's up mga ka-urban planners? Today, we are exploring one of the Cagayan de Oro City's most visited park, the Vicente de Lara Park! This is Cassandra Ku and I am with my kahigala. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Hi, I am Noel.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
Hello, I'm Berson.
Vicente de Lara Park is located in Cagayan de Oro City. It is a notable historical and recreational area in front of Misamis Oriental Provincial Capital. Named after Vicente de Lara, a distinguished lawyer, judge, and politician who greatly influenced the development of Misamis Oriental. The park holds both historical and cultural significance.
The park's strategic location near the provincial capital enhances its role as a central public space hosting a variety of gatherings, events, and leisure activities. It offers a green oasis in the city where locals and tourists alike can relax, exercise, and enjoy the natural surroundings. Over time, Vicente de Lara Park has become a symbol of community pride and a hub for social and cultural events in Cagayan de Oro City. Its well-maintained facilities, lush greenery, and scenic views attract many visitors, making it a beloved destination for residents and tourists.
As a landmark of historical importance and a lively public space, Vicente de Lara Park continues to contribute significantly to the cultural heritage and recreational life of Cagayan de Oro City.
Vicente de Lara Park offers various roles in the city that aid the needs of the community. This can be analyzed through the lens of health, community and social interactions, environmental benefits, economic impact, cultural value, and climate resilience. Vicente de Lara Park provides a comprehensive understanding of its significance. In the context of physical and well-being, it offers space for the physical activities such as jogging, walking, and group exercises, contributing to the physical fitness of the community. The park also provides a serene environment for relaxation and stress relief, promoting mental well-being. In terms of its community and social interactions, the park serves as a gathering space for families, friends, and community members, fostering social cohesion and interactions among diverse groups. Environmental benefits of the park also improves air quality by absorbing pollutants and producing oxygen, which can also support urban biodiversity by providing a habitat for various plant and animal species.
The park is a well-known public space situated along Don Apolinar Velez Street, a collector street directly across from the provincial capital building of Misamis Oriental. As we delve into the profound understanding of urban space enclosure, let us first observe the content of architectural style, design principle, and its existing condition of Vicente de Lara Park.
Hello sir, good morning. Pwede pa-disturb ko my sir. I am having our current big vlog now. Can you say hi to our vlog?
Hello, vlog!
Hi to our vlog. Hi. So it's the context about urban planning. So can I ask you one question, sir?
Sure.
Okay. Sir, this is about, we are currently here right now in the Vicente de Lara Park. So, what is your recommendation for this park to improve for the people?
So, ako, siyong tambay dire. So, dugay ragyat. And, tsara naging ang park, like, na ay mga tanong, mga daga trees, and structure bago. And, karon nga, na ay bagong opportunity, which is, nakita na ako, na sila i-build nga province capital content, na makita nimo dire. And, I'm so happy because, dakan, bitaw, new things na po para ma-enjoy ang tao man. Is sila dire, and it's a big opportunity sa kaninga park yun. So, I'm so very happy.
Wow, thank you so much, sir, for your answer, sir. So, can you say hi to our vlog?
Hello, vlog!
Sir, I have a question. This is regarding for the context of the urban planning. So, it's about the threats here in Vicente de Lara Park. So, what are the possible dangers, sir, sa inyo na can be experienced here in the park?
So far sa among na-experience diri ma'am, ibang time in sa park. Number one good threat siguro diri ma'am is di na sa mga pero bombing. Ang taong na ibilin nga bag o yung bag, wala ka balungan pwede ka makitawag yun. Wala ka balong nga ibilin na siya nga bag pero na siya bomb. Muna siya isa sa kwan. Dagwa po is mahawat. Na yung mga gamit. I-report yan na sa mga ay katulo siguro ma'am is kanang pagkagabili na tawat ko diri sa ground diri sa Capitol. Ma'am kawatan diri pagka nag-report nga diri diya sa country diya. So far ma'am wala ko ikuan diri nga tawo about sa crime sa tao. Kuan gyud mga gamit din number one yun siguro katong ma'am. Ato yung bantayan ng atong gamit. Dahil kung kay na lang mga butang i-report yun sa mga possible mo din na ikuan.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sakto din kayo yung gingon, sir. Thank you so much for that answer, sir. And can you say to our vlog, sir? Say just hi, sir. Hi. Hi, ay sorry kayo. Hi, pasensya kayo sa disturb ko. We have a question because we are in currently on this kind of about sa urban planning. So here lang in Vicente de Lara Park, so as we are here right now, what are the interesting parts here in the park? Kamo as I use kanang one with the
Kanang sa ako lang is daghan man jud mo makita ng mga tao like kanang pagka-practice kita sila. Open area man jud siya tapos kanang wala bawal ba. Wala sila dili sila ga strict dito guys sa inyo like free as in hindi niyo buhat niyo sa pan.
practice sa sayaw.
Hindi mo practice sa sayaw kung sa ba niyo gusto ano.
Kung na po ang parent ang Corintino.
That's free pa sila. Challenge sila.
So they are dancers actually. So can you please say hi to our vlog? Hi. Regarding ang itiba sa park, what is your kanang unsa yung makita na problema dali sa park somehow na oras sa problema na makita ate yung kanang pampalibot kay kanil katambay ka karon so unsay mo nga kamatigdan sa surrounding mo kang mga tao wala ba yung mga accident peaceful so peaceful gid yapon or kasura po ate naka-segregate po yun kay kamo sa vendor kamo yung magpalinis kaya no so pila na lang tuod ka years ate dali sa Vicente de Lara Park ka Pamaligya ulan pa lang ate so ba't isa day ka bulang taon-taon na gid pod naali labay ba kupod lagi na creation na so imuhang paminaw mas kwan pagbibigat salamat kayo tayo sa tayong ha pwede mag-i kag hi lang ka sa vlog hi to our vlog.
So, the ideal, no? Ano yung kahalaga ng park ngayon dun sa mismong kaakibat? Na, ano? So, it is a good challenge naman as an urban planner, as an architect.